Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry. In class 9, it is chapter 3rd, coordinate geometry. To understand this topic, you have to understand what is the use of it. Why we use this? Actually, this is being used to locate the position of any object. Suppose you are sitting in a room, or you are gone to this big hall, and you have been कॉल्ड, किसी ने आपको फोन किया और आप उसको उस रूम की लोकेशन समझा रहे हो कि उस रूम में एक लेक्चर स्टैंड पड़ा है, तो वो कहां पड़ा है। तो उसके लिए आपको इस कार्टेशियन प्लेन की जरूरत पड़ती है। कार्टेशियन प्लेन रेने डेस्कार्टी एक दिन बेड पे सोए हुए थे। रेने डेस्कार्टी एक दिन बेड पर सोए हुए थे। तो सोए सोए उनको इसी प्रकार आइडिया आया कि हम यहां पर इस रूम में रखी हुई चीजों को किस तरह से बता सकते हैं कि ये कैसे हैं। तो उसने लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड इनका यूज किया। लैटिट्यूड द हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, लॉन्गिट्यूड द वर्टिकल लाइन। मैं आपको समझाता हूं कि इस रेने डेस्कार्टी, इनके नाम से ही डेस्कार्टी, कार्टेशियन प्लेन वर्ड का डिस्कवर हुआ है। डेस्कार्टी कार्टेशियन प्लेन किस तरह से आपको हेल्प करता है? जब हम एक वर्टिकल लाइन और एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, तो इस वर्टिकल लाइन को हम बोलते हैं वाई एक्सिस और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को हम बोलते हैं एक्स एक्सिस। जहां ये इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं, where they and intersect, this point is called origin. This is called origin. अब ये जो वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है, ये आपको एक कार्टेशियन प्लेन कहलाता है। इस कार्टेशियन प्लेन ने, इस वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ने इस प्लेन को, इस पूरे प्लेन जगह को 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया, जिसे हम बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेंट्स। फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, ये हमारा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट कहलाता है। ये सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, लाइक दिस इट इज थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड दिस इज फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट। तो कोई भी चीज अगर यहां रखी है तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होता है? सपोज आई वांट टू tell the location of this point. So this is lying in the first quadrant. The point which is having a distance from this y-axis and x-axis. If the distance from the y-axis, distance from y-axis is called abscissa, or we say the value of x. अगर हम कोऑर्डिनेट्स को, इस कोऑर्डिनेट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर पहले x की वैल्यू लिखी जाती है और फिर y की। जो ये x की वैल्यू होती है इसको हम बोलते हैं एब्सिसा. This is called abscissa and the value of y is called ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. और ये दोनों मिलकर बन जाता है आपका कोऑर्डिनेट. तो पॉइंट की लोकेशन बताने के लिए ये तरीका है लिखने का. This is the way to write the value of a point x and y and this distance from y-axis. How? Look at this numbers. I have taken the equal distance and marked these numbers. Here you will write the positive value x positive here 1 2 3 4 5. Left hand side this is your 0, -1 -2 -3 -4. So like this on vertical line this is your 1 2 positive value on upper side, ऊपर की तरफ पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज और नीचे की तरफ नेगेटिव वैल्यूज. दिस इज योर कार्टेशियन प्लेन which is ready. Here we write the negative value, sorry, positive value of y. Here value of x as negative. Downwards value of y as negative values. So this is the Cartesian plane which is ready. And you want to tell the value of this point. So the distance from y-axis is called abscissa, the value of x. So what will you write? What is the distance? You just observe this distance. This is the distance equal to this 1 2 3 4. So 4 is the distance from y-axis. This point is 4-point distance and the distance from x-axis is called ordinate, or you can say the value of y. Now you just observe distance from x-axis. Distance from x-axis. This is your x-axis. What is the distance? This distance. Observe this distance. It is 5. So this is your ordinate. Now this coordinate is completed. You can give the name to this point A. So like this we can find the value of any point, or you can say the location of this point. Where is that point? This point is 4 units from y-axis and 5 units from x-axis. Suppose you want to tell the value of this B point. This is your B point. And how will you write? You will write in the bracket. First you will write the value of x, then y. So x is, what is the value of x? X is the distance from y-axis. So this point from y-axis, what is the distance? It is equal to -3. And what is the value of y? It is the distance from x-axis. What is the distance of this point? This point. What is the distance from x-axis? This distance. This is equal to 2. So this is your x and y. I hope you understood this point. Now one more thing I wanted to tell you about this. Sometimes I have seen some questions in your book that just tell in which quadrant this coordinate lie? In which quadrant this point lie? You just observe the sign. Both are negative. So first quadrant, here the first quadrant is having the both positive values. Here the second quadrant, the value of x is negative and the value of y is positive. Here in third quadrant, the value of x is negative and the value of y also negative. The value of x here, abscissa is positive but the ordinate is negative. So you can observe the four quadrants with their sign. Now one more question. What about this -4 and 0? In which quadrant this point lie? You just observe -4 is the distance from y-axis and 0 distance from the x-axis. So you can observe this -4 and -4. Where will this point lie? -4 distance from y-axis. This is the y-axis, -4, and 0 distance from x-axis. Now this point is at the 0 distance from the x-axis. So this point doesn't lie in any of the quadrant. It lies on x-axis itself. 0, 5. 0 distance from the y-axis. This is your y-axis. 0 distance. So the point will lie on this y-axis. 5 distance from the 5. It is the value of y. It is the value of y and distance from x-axis. This point is 5 unit away. This point 0, 5 from distance from y, distance from x-axis. So this point is this point and this point. These 2 points are at the 5, 5 distance. We want positive. So positive is here. So we will not take this point. 5 is positive and it is 5 unit away from the x-axis, and this point is at the 0 distance from the y-axis. 0 means distance from y-axis. So y-axis is this and this point is at the 0 distance. So this point 0, 5 lie on the y-axis at the upper side. So I hope you understood the quadrants and the points lie on the axis. So one more thing left. What is the coordinates of the origin? Origin is the point which is 0 distance from the x-axis, 0 distance from the y-axis. First we will write the distance from y-axis. So this is y-axis and it is at the 0 distance from the y-axis and the same 0 distance from the x-axis. 0 distance from the y-axis, 0 distance from the x-axis. So this is your coordinate geometry in your book. These things will complete the whole chapter. One thing you should understand, this thing will complete the whole chapter. These topics you will observe in questions in your chapter. Coordinate, what is coordinate, what is abscissa, what is ordinate, what is the quadrants, what is origin, the location of the points and how to find the points, in which quadrant they lie. किस किस क्वाड्रेंट में पॉइंट लाई करते हैं ये बताना, एक्स एक्सिस पे लाई करना, वाई एक्सिस पे लाई करना, ये सब चीजें आप चैप्टर 3 में आप देखेंगे। तो ये वीडियो आपको ये सारे के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर देगी। थैंक यू।